How to hide WhatsApp sender name from lock screen notifications. This tutorial shows you how to keep your WhatsApp messages private on your lock screen on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp app icon. After that, tap on App Info to open the App Settings page. From there, tap on Notifications to open the notification settings for WhatsApp. At this point, tap on Show or Hide Content when locked to open the lock screen notification options. In the next step, you'll see the current setting, which may be set to Show Always by default. Following this, tap on Hide When Locked to prevent your WhatsApp messages and sender names from appearing on your lock screen. Finally, lock your screen and ask someone to send you a WhatsApp message to confirm that the message content and sender name are now completely hidden from your lock screen. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you keep your notifications private on your lock screen, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.